Hey, comrades! How you doing? So, we're in the middle of a Shinagawa. Really hot summer's day today. So I need to get out of this heat before I start to melt. But before I do that, I'd love to show you some absolutely fantastic technology with these bicycle parks over here, where bikes are actually sucked into these big machines over here, like drawn deep into the depths of the earth. So, let's have a look.
違法駐輪、放置自転車など日本の都市問題を見事に解決している駐輪場。どんな技術なんでしょう。
Alright, so let me show you exactly how these bicycle parks work. So, you notice at the front of my bike over here, you can see one of these things attached over here. This is actually an IC chip. There's a chip inside over there. And what happens is, when I move it towards the bicycle park, it'll recognize that I've got an account over here, and it'll open the doors for me. So what I do this is, all right, it's going to grip the front wheel. It lifts up a little bit. There's asking me to stand behind these yellow lines, which I'm going to do over here. Then, actually, let me check to see if my wallet or any valuables are not over here. Okay, that's absolutely fine. And then press the green button. And then it goes down over there. And in about 14 seconds, it kind of like goes down, spins around, and it finds parking space.
「回転しながらスピーディーに収納されていきます」「大切な自転車を雨やいたずらからも守ってくれます」
Now, what happens when I want to retrieve my bike? That's when this comes into play. This is my card, so I have an account here. Do you call them accounts? What do you call them? Let's call them an account for now. I have an account over here. What I'm going to do is touch it to this panel over here. And then there's this like huge robotic arms and things which like go down, and like everything starts spinning around, and then the bike is retrieved and it comes up, and here it is. Absolutely fantastic. Oops. Isn't that cool? Absolutely fantastic. Wow. Isn't that convenient? It's bloody awesome. So when I have my bike filled with like Mirai-chan stickers, I know it's going to be safe underground.
こちらの駐輪場は地上に文化を地下に機能というコンセプトで、地上に不明なものを地下に入れることでもっと地上を豊かに使ってもらおうということで開発した商品になります。ご覧のように、地上と景観を合わせることで、非常に人間より文化的に生活できるのかなというふうに考えております。1機204台使用できますので、これからの駐輪問題も解決できますし、今後全国各地に展開していけるというふうに考えております。
So, what we're going to do right now is get on, and we'll see you at the next location.